Hello, I'm Bobby Healy. I'm the CEO and founder of Manna Drone Delivery. Manna is a delivery system using drones to fly directly from retailers, pharmacies, and convenience stores to people's houses at 80 kilometers per hour, maximum delivery time of 3 minutes. During 2019, we got a lot done. We got about 7,000 flights on the clock, and we also launched our first town money call in Ireland to about 1,000 people, delivering everything that they need in conjunction with the HSE, also delivering pharmacy. For the rest of the year, we're going to expand to another Irish town, probably about 5 to 10,000 people. And then one foreign market, which we're currently evaluating. So a lot done and a huge amount ahead of us in this year. Myself and the team really feel great about this award. It is the NovaUCD Founder of the Year, but I mean, we really are a team of 27 people, all of us working equally hard and equally committed to our mission. I'd like to thank UCD really from the whole team. It's important to have such hard and great work recognised, and we really do genuinely appreciate it. Thank you.